The camera industry is standing on the brink of a massive shift, and the buzz surrounding the upcoming Nikon Z9 II has reached a fever pitch. If you are a professional photographer, a dedicated filmmaker, or someone who demands the absolute pinnacle of imaging technology, you know that the original Z9 was a landmark achievement. But the game has moved forward, and Nikon is clearly preparing a significant countermove. We are analyzing the technical trajectory of what is shaping up to be the most disruptive camera release of the decade. The reason we are talking about a successor when the current Z9 remains a dominant force on sports fields and in studio sets is because the technological landscape has fundamentally changed. Competitors are pushing high-resolution stacked sensors and integrating cinema-grade RAW workflows, and Nikon is forced to respond. Recent supply chain reports and global stock adjustments regarding the current Z9 are signaling that a transition is underway. We are looking at a manufacturing shift that points toward a release window in the final quarter of 2026. The heart of this upgrade lies in a brand new 46-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. While the resolution is impressive, the real story is the speed. Credible reports indicate this sensor is designed to be substantially faster than its predecessor, with X-sync speeds potentially pushing into the 1/720s range. This development effectively renders the traditional mechanical shutter obsolete, providing near-zero rolling shutter even in high-speed electronic shutter modes. For commercial and sports shooters, this capability is the new gold standard for performance. A major focus of this upcoming flagship is the deep integration of red digital cinema technology. Ever since the acquisition, the professional community has been waiting for the first major collaboration between these two entities, and the Z9 II appears to be the vehicle for this synergy. Internal 12-bit REDCODE RAW recording is the central rumor driving interest in this model. If Nikon successfully implements native R3D recording in a professional mirrorless body, they are not just competing with other flagships. They are creating a new category of hybrid camera that merges high-end cinema production directly into a photographer's standard workflow. Handling all that data from an 8.3K sensor, especially while pushing high frame rates in full RAW, requires a massive increase in processing power. The EXPEED 8 processing engine is the rumored brain behind this operation. This engine is reportedly tuned for advanced AI-driven predictive autofocus. This goes beyond standard eye or vehicle tracking, moving into a realm where the camera understands and anticipates movement in complex, chaotic environments. It is designed to track subjects with an awareness of the scene's flow, ensuring that even in high-speed scenarios, the focus remains locked where it needs to be. The sensor performance extends to the ISO capabilities as well. Rumors suggest a native base ISO of 32, which is a significant development for studio shooters. A lower base ISO translates to cleaner highlights, deeper tonal depth, and a dynamic range that approaches medium format quality. This provides the flexibility to shoot wide open in bright sunlight without relying as heavily on neutral density filters, preserving the maximum signal quality from the sensor. It is the kind of technical improvement that provides a tangible, high-quality result in the final image. Managing the heat generated by 8K RAW recording at high frame rates is another critical aspect of this development. A major part of the redesign in the Z9 II involves a completely re-engineered thermal management system. We expect a chassis that is optimized for heat dissipation, likely utilizing advanced internal alloys derived from Nikon's Cinema Line research. This ensures that the camera can handle long-form production requirements without the risk of thermal shutdowns, maintaining reliability in the field. The competitive landscape remains fierce, with other manufacturers continuing to push the limits of mirrorless technology. However, the Z9 II is positioning itself as a comprehensive creator's powerhouse. By combining RED's color science with the optical excellence of the Nikkor lens ecosystem, Nikon is betting that professional shooters want a unified system that handles everything from high-fashion editorials to cinema-grade video production with ease. While we are still waiting for official confirmation from Nikon, the weight of the information from the supply chain and industry insiders creates a clear picture of what is coming. Nikon typically keeps development details quiet until the market is ready, but this current wave of data feels deliberate, and backed by manufacturing preparations. For those who are currently planning long-term investments in their gear, monitoring the developments throughout the remainder of 2026 is the most strategic approach. This camera is poised to set the standard for the next several years of mirrorless development. Nikon is clearly aiming for the top spot, focusing not just on individual metrics like resolution or speed, but on the holistic experience of the image maker. Every technical choice, from the sensor architecture to the processing speed and the thermal management, points toward a device designed to handle the most demanding professional workloads. As we look toward the potential official development announcement, which historically occurs before the final release, it is clear that the focus is on refinement and power. The professional camera market has reached a level of maturity where incremental updates are no longer enough to move the needle. True innovation now requires the kind of systemic integration we are seeing in the rumored Z9 II specifications. Whether you are capturing high-speed sports, delicate studio portraits, or professional cinema content, the target of this technology is to remove the limitations of the hardware. Nikon is working to ensure that the camera becomes an extension of the creative process rather than a barrier to it. The shift toward 12-bit internal RAW and increased processing intelligence is a testament to the fact that the line between photography and videography is disappearing entirely. For those who rely on the Z-mount system, this represents the culmination of years of development since the initial launch of the mirrorless line. It brings together the best of Nikon's traditional strengths with the cutting-edge digital technology acquired through their recent partnerships. The professional community is waiting to see how this translates into real-world performance, but the technical foundation appears rock solid. We are following every update, from patent filings to manufacturing reports, to ensure the information remains accurate as the release date approaches. As the industry continues to evolve, the demand for equipment that can handle multiple professional workflows simultaneously will only grow. Nikon is clearly aiming to meet that demand with a device that provides the reliability, speed, and image quality that top-tier professionals require for their daily operations. Keep an eye on the official channels as we move closer to the end of the year, as this will likely be the most significant release in Nikon's recent history. The technology is shifting, and the Z9 II is expected to lead that charge. Ultimately, this isn't just about another upgrade. It is about securing your creative future with a tool that refuses to compromise on any front. Whether you specialize in fast-action wildlife, high-end commercial fashion, or cinematic storytelling, the path forward appears incredibly bright for the Nikon ecosystem. As these pieces fall into place, it becomes increasingly clear that the industry is bracing for a truly revolutionary leap in performance. Stay ready, because the way you shoot is about to change forever.